Welcome to my channel Dynamics 365 CRM. Today I will teach you how to create a solution on Dynamics 365 CRM. So you must have a Dynamics 365 environment. So currently I have a on-prem version. So in both you can create a solution just like on-prem online. So you need to go to the setting option and you can see there is an option to solution. So here when you click the solution button, so a window will appear just like a, wait a second. Yeah, you can see the this window. There is option just like a import solution, export solution, and delete solution, and the new one. When you click the new create a new solution, a pop-up window will appear, and when the you need to add a solution name just like a display name. So I have just add a dynamics CRM. This is a display name, and this is a name. So when you click the name button, this text will auto populate, and here the publisher name. So and you can see there is also a version. So you just add any version when you create a new. So you just add a 1.0, and here is the publishers. So you need to add a one publisher name. This I have a test publishers, so I've just select the publishers. And when you select all the mandatory field, so you need to click the save icon. After the saving, you can see there is the solution is created in the backend. You can see the Dynamics CRM 65. So once the solution is created, so you can add account, you can add existing entity. So many of entities available. Just like if I add a account entity, so when we click the OK button, so there is a option just like forms. If you want to add one forms on this solution, so you can add a single forms. If you want to add one views or any two views, through views, so you just select the views name and click the finish button. And if you want to if you want to move the single field, or if you want to add a single field on this solution, so just just click the field name and just click the finish button. So once you done the creativity solution, so just you can see there is an export solution option here. So just export the solution and click the next and click next. And there is a in the Dynamics 365 there are two type of solution. One is managed and other one is unmanaged. So I will demonstrate you about these types in next video. So just export the solution, and the solution is downloaded. So once the solution is downloaded, so you can move the solution anywhere. It's like suppose you have a dev environment, and you want to move this customization or any customization on your production environment. So just make a solution and add your customization and move the solution anywhere. Okay, thank you.